Okay, welcome back guys. Now it's time to get you set up for baking. The first step that you want to do before you start taking things out of the fridge, everything like that, is you want to start your oven. If you're using an oven, you'll also need to make sure that you just set it to the highest temperature possible. I'll walk you through doing that now, but pretty much every oven is gonna probably have the max temperature of being 450 to 550 degrees. Maybe you have a fancier oven that might go up higher, but that's even better. But the goal is behind all of this is we wanna cook it hot and fast. That's always going to get you the best product. Also, some cheater moves, since you may have bought parchment, we're gonna show you how to actually put it on a pan with parchment. But let's say if you have a pan like this or a round pan like this, you might wanna, and you don't have parchment, you wanna probably coat it with olive oil first before you cook. But for today, we're gonna make this as easy as possible. We're gonna use parchment, and that's gonna help you make sure that your dough does not stick to the pan. Finished product comes out great. So first things first, let's get our oven started. You're gonna need some time for the oven to heat up, and sometimes that can take 20 or 30 minutes. So if you happen to wanna get this, go out to the store real quick. That's okay. As long as your dough is in the fridge, chilling down, everything is good to go. But for now, we're gonna start our oven. And so just, bake it at the highest setting possible. And it really doesn't matter how you bake. If you wanna do, convection baking, or you could do steam baking, but then you're adding more moisture, and realistically, that's not going to improve the final product of the pizza. It's just going to help you out with that. So essentially, you wanna get it up to the highest temperature. Once this is up to temperature, then you'll be ready to start cooking. If you have something like a pizza stone, like maybe a round one like this, or a square pizza stone like this, or a baking stone, or even a baking steel. If you have a baking steel that fits in your oven, you can use all of those things, but you're gonna wanna heat that up before you put your pizza and transfer it to the oven. But we'll show you how to do it kind of both of those ways. This way we'll just be putting it on a pan. The next way we'll actually be putting it in the oven.